The Natural History Museum's historic diorama halls are the largest exhibitions at the museum, showcasing over 75 incredibly detailed habitats. To celebrate the 100th anniversary of these iconic spaces, NHM has restored and reopened a diorama hall that has been closed for decades. Visitors can experience immersive new installations from various artists like Special Species, Saul Becker, and Lauren Schoth.
You don't have to look too far for the effects of colonialism, urban development, and how that affects our ecosystems, our ecological health. My name's Lauren Schoth. I'm from LA. I'm an artist and a creative producer. The LA River, I feel like, has always been a hub. Even before we have been here, it was where one of the largest villages was for the indigenous here at that time. By showcasing that, hey, this river not only exists and is still here, it has a very rich history, a riparian habitat that is very important to this terrain. I just feel very honored to be able to tell this story. I worked with the Tongva Native tribe and definitely got their blessing on what I was putting forward because that was very important to me. I wanted to understand the geography and the geology and the ecology. And so I worked with this company called Stillwater Sciences, and I was able to get a 3D map. And from there, we were able to say, okay, this is where the oak forests would be, and these are where the marshes would be, and this is where the Tongva Native tribes would be. And all down here, there was all different types of foliage. To be able to experience it, visualizing, wait, that's what it looked like 250 years ago versus what it looks like now. We've lost 95% of our wetlands here in LA. Paving up the river affects our climate. We create more heat by having more cement, traps more smog in. So by actually having more foliage and ripping up some of the cement, it will actually give us an opportunity to cool down this area as well. It can be a positive story, it can be a hopeful story. It's just not all doom and gloom, where we actually have a role to play. That's what I hope to inspire people that come here, are able to see themselves, have a relationship with the land, and participate in its restoration.
Reframing Dioramas is one of two groundbreaking exhibits hosted by NHM LAC, combining art and science for this year's PST Art event.